Allah, who is the most merciful and the most compassionate. Honorable judges and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I have the honor to enlighten you about some aspects and the sublime teachings of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. There are many people who are the creators of history. There are very few who are the makers of history. The Prophet of Islam was indeed the architecture of history. He came to the people when everything was enveloped in darkness, superstition and ignorance. He lived among them and will continue to be as a perennial source of light, an apostle of human liberty, and a messenger of universal brotherhood. He is the benefactor of mankind. Can you find a single person in the annals of history who was as much a man of an action as a man of contemplation? Tell me the name of the hero who was as much generous and courteous to his bloodthirsty enemies as to his dear ones. There is no one else but the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. He was the mercy of all mankind, the paragon of the moral virtues, and the model of conduct for the world at large. He was loving to the children, caring to the elders, merciful to the prisoners of war, a messiah for women, and a redeemer of slaves. One simplified wonders of the achievements of the Holy Prophet was within the shortest span of time. The rapid expansion of Islam was imputed to the use of sword by the enemies of Islam. They failed to realize that crime strikes the head, but merit wins the soul. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was the winner of all the hearts and souls. The total number of casualties during his career as a prophethood was so negligible that this can be called a bloodless revolution. M.N. Roy, an Indian socialist, has rightly said, the expansion of Islam was the most miraculous of all the miracles. Let me conclude with a remark that his contribution to civilization was an outstanding fact of history. Let me salute to his qualities of head and heart. Hats off to the sturdy personality, the dynamic leadership, and the historic achievements of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Thanks for your attention.